皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Social English Podcast. This is the fourth part in my 6-part series on creating better conversations with the FORD method. Let's get started.
英語を学ぶとき、学ぶべき重要なスキルの一つは、良い会話をする方法です。今日のエピソードでは、ネイティブアメリカンの英語を話す人の視点から、英会話のトピックをお教えします。友達になりたい英語を母国語とする人と、有効的な会話をするために使用できる現在のトピックを学びます。これがソーシャルイングリッシュの本質です。さあ、始めましょ
う。Let's get started with the topic for today, the R in the FORD method. So, what is the R? The R in the FORD method talks about recreation. What is recreation? Recreation is fun things that people may want to do. Just think of recreation as fun activities. Recreation could be playing volleyball or going camping, going shopping, surfing, swimming, going on trips, exploring. There are so many different things that people do for recreation. Of course, I cannot say them all today, but that gives you an idea of what recreation, the R in recreation, is all about. So, how are we going to ask this person that we've just met or a classmate we're interested in talking to about recreation? This is how you do that. The first way you can do this is you can say, do you have a hobby? A lot of times when people are learning English, sometimes the language is very strict and straight. It's not really a social English. So you may learn, do you have a hobby? This is not the best way. It is English, but remember, I want to teach you social English, natural English. That's not a natural, or it could be natural, but it's not a social way. So if I met you and you said to me, Percy, do you have a hobby? I would think for a second because I would step back because it is not natural in the flow of the conversation. A better phrase is, what do you do for fun? This phrase, what do you do for fun, is also good. Okay, it's a good one. It's a good one to use because maybe they enjoy rock climbing, maybe they enjoy canoeing, maybe they enjoy cycling, or maybe even marathon running. Who knows? It's a little bit more of a natural way to ask this question. Okay? So a better way is to say, what do you do for fun? Now let's look at some other ways to do this. Another way that you can do this is to use a personal statement first. Okay? You should say, now remember, when you give your information, it's really friendly and it invites the person into your social circle and into your world. You can say something like this. Saturday afternoon, I went surfing with some friends. Do you like surfing? Or, this weekend was so rough. I've been training for a marathon because I really enjoy it. What do you do for fun? Or, I really like watching YouTube videos about Fortnite. Are you into gaming? I'll say that one more time. Just the phrase, into gaming. And you can use into to say anything. Are you into gaming? Are you into jogging? Are you into Pilates? Are you into yoga? So you can use are you into as well. Remember, your goal in the conversation is to present a natural, interesting topic that you and the person that you are talking to can share information about each other without it being strange or weird, but builds upon your connection and your friendship and relationship with each other. And that is it for the R in the FORD method, the R for recreation. Think for recreation, hobby, fun things. Okay, please remember that. For today's action item, I want you to ask a friend about their hobby. You can try at least 2 ways. You should try at least 2 ways to do this. You can just ask the plain, regular way of, what do you do for fun? What do you like to do for fun? Something like that. Again, I think you should not use, do you have any hobbies? It's too unnatural and strange. Okay? Even after you've known the person. So please forget, do you have any hobby or hobbies? Next, what you want to do is you want to practice again with a friend and have them practice with you. If you're lucky, you can, or you have an English speaking friend, practice with them, or if you don't, just practice with your avatar.
この章を気に入っていただけたら5つ星のレビューをぜひお願いします。コメントは英語か日本語でお書きいただければ喜んで読ませていただきます。リアルソーシャルイングリッシュ .com にアクセスしてぜひ無料でダウンロードしてください。ほとんどの日本人の英語を勉強している人がやってしまいがちな7つの間違いとその正しい言い方。また、毎日英語を上達させるのに役立つ資料もたくさんあります。Apple Podcast、Google Podcast、Stitcher、そして今はパンドラでもポッドキャストを購読いただきます。支援者になっていただけませんか？私たちがこの章を作るための支援として5ドルの寄付をお願いできませんか？今後のエピソードで感謝の気持ちをお伝えします。また、そこでしか利用できない新しいコンテンツも入手できます。patreon.com/socialenglish からご参加ください。ソーシャルメディアで私たちのポッドキャストを友達にシェアしたり、Twitter、Facebook、Instagram のフォローをお願いします。
And that is again it for today's episode. Please remember to listen to the last episodes if you have not. Listen to the first 3 episodes about in this series. It's going to help you a lot in conversation. This is gold. This is free gold I'm giving you right now. And all you have to do is practice it. You will definitely appreciate it. As a matter of fact, please leave a comment in Twitter down below if you've tried this today, how many times you've practiced it, or what you thought about it when you practiced it with a friend, how it worked for you. Please leave a comment on our Twitter, and the link to Twitter is down below. Now, remember, this is a podcast too, so you can listen to the podcast. The link to the podcast is down below. Listen to that as well. And The next episode is the D and the D and the FORD method is for dreams. We're going to talk about that in the next episode. Peace and love. See you next time. Oh, one last thing. I'm still looking for an intern. Okay, I have 2 spots for an English-speaking intern to help with the production of this YouTube channel and the Social English podcast. You can apply by emailing me at Percy at Real Social English. Link to the emails down below. See you next time. Hikaru, take us out. Peace and love.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.